All of this is crushed and rolled in. I have a Chevy Malibu here. This one got smacked right in the back end and it destroyed the entire rear body panel. All of this is crushed and rolled in along with both of these taillight pockets. So it's gonna get a new rear body panel. It also gets a new trunk lid. However, first I'm going to grab this with the frame rack and walk all this damage out to kind of shift everything back in place before I start cutting this back panel off. So I got this one roughly pulled out. I went ahead and bolted the trunk lid on just to look at the quarter panel gaps. I wanted to make sure those were even, which they are. Very nice. But sometimes when these get hit, it can cause those quarter panels to shift in or out. So luckily this one looks very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart. So I have this one all fit together. And the trunk lid shuts and latches good. The taillights and deck lid line up very nice and even and flush. I'm going to go ahead and pull the taillights back out, weather strip off, and get this one all welded together.